Today I got the Galaxy Watch Ultra 7 and the drone Mini 4 Pro. It's under the 249 gram, but I'm gonna be putting an extended battery to give me more juice. And I'm gonna try and attach my watch, and I opened the app for the hiking. I want to see the altitude gain on this watch and comparison of the DJI Mini 4 Pro. Never been done before test. I don't think anyone done this, so I'm gonna go to exercises, go to hiking. Just trying to see barometer in the hiking and see the difference between altitude meter on the drone and as well as the altitude meter on the watch. There it is, guys. It's gone up. Here we go. We're going up and up. And we're at an altitude of 75 meter. We've passed the 130, 140 meter mark. And we're gonna keep going up. That's really far away. You can barely see the drone. And we're here. We are at 290 meters, actually. 290 meters in the air. Still going up. Oh man, I'm very nervous about this. Because that's an extra 60 gram on the drone. And if there's wind up in the air, then we're in a lot of trouble. Can barely see the drone on the zoom capabilities of the S24 Ultra. That's maxed out. I'm at 430 meters, guys. 430, 440, almost at 500. And that's the max on the Mini 4 Pro. You can't see the drone anymore. That's it. I maxed out at 500 meters. I want to bring it down. We'll come down fast. I doubted if I can see it on my S24 Ultra. Let's zoom out a little bit. There it is. I'm gonna land it somewhere. That thing, those motors have been overworked for sure. This thing's gonna be coming down hot and heavy. Oh yeah, so there it is. Yes, there it is. Coming down. Forward a little bit. Survived the 500 meter height. Well, it says 546, but the drone maxed out at 500, so I'll probably have to run a couple of more tests to see which one is more accurate. Let me show you on the one in just a bit. Okay, so here's the result. It says the workout 6 calories. It's burned 6 calories, it's saying. Workout duration 6 minutes, average speed 0 because we just stayed on a vertical path. Elevation gain 37. Highest elevation is 546 meters. The drone showed elevation of 500 meters. Lowest elevation was 72. So I guess that's the difference of the 46, 72 by 37. You get that 40-ish mark from the lowest to the elevation gain. That's actually pretty accurate, in my opinion.